Look at that beautiful Golf GT. Full options. Leather seats, electric leather seats. Folding windows, adjusting windows, electric windows. Android Play, sunroof, moonroof, steering controls, side airbags. 2014 model. Really beautiful. Really nice, neat and clean. It's got spare wheel, tire, and tools. Beautiful black and silver alloys. Really neat. Very clean interior. Beautifully. Sorry, it's a 2015 model, not 14. Just checked. Really nice. Really nice. So again, Golf 7 GT 2015. Leather seats, sunroof, fog lights, everything, all